In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in your Acura MDX, located on the passenger side behind the glove box. Let's get started. Located on the right side of the vehicle, we're going to locate the glove box, open the glove box. You're going to see this cover. There's two tabs, one on each side. Just press them down and pull it out. Get it out of the way. Now, there's going to be another cover. This is actually a tray. There's one tab on one side and another tab on the other side. You're going to squeeze it and pull the tray out. And pull it straight out. This is what the old one looks like. When we look at the tray, there's going to be a mark that says airflow and an arrow pointing downwards. To remove the old cabin air filter, we're going to remove the old one. Here's the new one, and like I said, we're going to pay attention to the airflow and the arrow. In this case, it goes this way, with the arrow facing down. Back in the vehicle, now we're going to slide the tray with the new cabin filter in and clip it into place. Now we're gonna get the second cover, slide it in, and clip it. Close the glove box, and that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.